Welcome to the Kansas State University Office of Field Experience Cooperating Teacher Instructional Videos. My name is Hannah Kimball, and I'm a Secondary Placement Coordinator here in the College of Education. Today, I would like to offer some suggestions for developing effective feedback strategies when working with your practicum student or student intern. The biggest piece of the pie in offering effective feedback is cultivating a relationship of communication as a mentor. This can take several forms. When we think of feedback, we often go immediately to verbal feedback. However, informal, observational, written feedback can serve as a valuable tool for communicating with your student. When you are in the formative stages of the field experience and still present in the classroom, it can be helpful to keep a clipboard with you to record elements of the lesson that are successful or are possible sources for further reflection. These can be presented to your student immediately following a lesson to offer a source of immediate feedback. They can also be recorded in a daily dialectical journal for you to pass back and forth in written communication. This dialogue takes some of the pressure off face-to-face communication and allows the student the time and space to think about a lesson at a later time and place. While these are just a couple nonverbal feedback strategies, the most frequent method of communication with your student will take place verbally, either as formal summative or informal reflective conferences. When thinking about conferencing with your student informally about their practices in the classroom, it is helpful to think about what Moorhead, Lyman, and Foyle call the 5 characteristics of effective feedback. These are amount, specificity, frequency, timing, and relevancy. Details about these characteristics are featured under the Tools for Cooperating Teachers section of this site and Conferencing subheading. Overall, it is best to keep in mind that receiving feedback can be a difficult aspect of the novice teaching process, especially since it is fraught with so many missteps and learning experiences. It is important to develop trust and a safe space for effective communication to ensure that your message comes across. These 5 characteristics can help you think about crafting your feedback message so it is succinct and does not overwhelm your student.